Let's learn how to change the country on a YouTube account. If you want to change the country and get more features, but don't know how, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the YouTube app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the correct account on which you want to change the country. Once YouTube is open, you'll be on the home page, but you need to go to the page where your account settings are located. To open this page, click on the U option in the bottom right corner. When that page opens, click on the Settings option in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a page with several options, but you need to click on General. Once you click on that, you'll see a page with many options, most of which are irrelevant for this tutorial except for one important option. You will find this option by scrolling down. When you scroll down, you'll see the Location option. Click on this option, and a list of all the countries you can change to will open. To change the country, simply click on the country you want and that's it. You have successfully changed the country on your YouTube account. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.